Hi everyone, my name is Donna and welcome to my channel Enlightened and Empowered. Today I'm going to share with you 10 ways you can use essential oils. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of essential oils. Whether you're new to essential oils or looking for fresh ideas, I'm excited to share 10 amazing ways to incorporate these natural wonders into your daily routine. Let's get started. Aromatherapy is one of the most popular ways to use essential oils. Simply add a few drops of your favorite oil to a diffuser and let the soothing scent fill your space. It's perfect for creating a calming atmosphere, reducing stress, and lifting your mood. Another great method is topical application. By diluting essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, you can apply them directly to your skin. This is fantastic for targeted relief, whether you're looking to soothe sore muscles or improve your skin's health. Sometimes all you need is a quick pick-me-up. For direct inhalation, place a drop of essential oil on a tissue or your palms and take a deep breath. It's a fast and effective way to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. Transform your bath into a spa-like experience by adding essential oils to the water. This method not only relaxes your body but also nourishes your skin, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day. Massaging essential oils into your skin is a great way to relieve tension and boost circulation. Just mix a few drops with your favorite carrier oil and enjoy the soothing effects of aromatherapy right at home. Essential oils can also be used in compresses. Whether warm or cold, a compress soaked in water and a few drops of essential oil can help alleviate aches, pains, and even inflammation. Why not take your skincare to the next level? Incorporate essential oils into your DIY skincare products like lotions or balms for added benefits like hydration and soothing properties. Plus, they smell amazing. Create a refreshing environment with a homemade room spray. Mix essential oils with water and a bit of witch hazel and spritz around your space for a natural, uplifting scent. Did you know you can use essential oils for cleaning? Add them to your natural cleaning products for their antibacterial properties and to leave your home smelling fresh and clean. And for aromatherapy on the go, try an essential oil inhaler or aromatherapy necklace. These are perfect for keeping your favorite scents close by, helping you stay calm and focused throughout the day. There you have it, 10 versatile ways to use essential oils in your daily life. Whether you're looking to relax, refresh, or simply enjoy the natural benefits of these oils, there's a method for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more wellness content. And don't forget to comment below, how do you like to use your essential oils? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.